Is this thing on? You guys. Hey, guys. I'm not a ghost. I am back. I'm Britney Louise. If you are new here, hey, and we are back at this thing like we never left, okay? I've got some things to tell you guys. I got a quick life update video. Plus, we are going to be reviewing the NYX Born to Glow foundation today, and I am so excited because this foundation was only $10. It's turning heads left and right. This video is gonna be pretty quick, but I got some news to tell y'all. I got some news to tell y'all because I've been gone, y'all, and I know y'all like, do you even still exist? Where you been at? I'm right here. Thank you. If you are new here, don't forget to smack that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, especially if you're enjoying this video. Let's go ahead and let's get started because baby girl gotta go, okay? I always gotta go when I'm talking to y'all. So the NYX Born to Glow foundation, the basic, it's a luminous finish, gives medium coverage, and is said to be best for all skin types. The benefits of this foundation is said to give you a dewy glow, 45 shades, which is not bad. Go ahead on. Hydrates with vitamin E and jojoba seed oil, vegan and cruelty free, and it provides a buildable non-greasy coverage. I'm going to prime my skin with one of my favorite primers as of right now, and it's the Ula Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I bought it and I forgot I had it, and then I found it when I went on vacation with my husband for our 1-year anniversary. Ding, ding, ding. That's the first thing I need to tell you guys why I haven't been on here. I have been celebrating with my husband our 1-year anniversary, but that was like at the end of September. We went to Miami for our 1-year anniversary and we had a freaking blast. It was so romantic. All of the things that you know, would do and have fun with your husband went down, okay? That's one place I've been, but you know, that doesn't give you a complete synopsis of what I've been doing. So there's still more though. I ended up grabbing the shade number 17 in Cappuccino. You get 1.01 fluid ounces. So I'm gonna take the booty of this. I'm gonna put one little drop of that in there like so. Right on the butt end. That's the butt. I'm just gonna pat this on one side of my face. Cappuccino looked the best in store when I was in Ulta yesterday, so I hope I like the way it looks on my skin. It's a more cool undertone. Okay, so this is pump 2 on one side because it's not enough coverage. I bet this will probably give me a little bit more coverage using a brush since a sponge typically shears out product when you use it. The second pump covered a lot more. You don't see my blemishes too much. It blends really well down towards my neck too. I really like this shade Cappuccino. I had an ingrown hair there. I'm getting old, y'all. Like I had a whole ingrown hair. I refuse to have neck hair, so I had to go ahead and just wax that bad boy out. I'm gonna take my Morphe M49 foundation brush, a little squeezable squeeze. I'm gonna just go to town on this side. I'm gonna see how I like it. So anyway, back to waxing. So if you didn't know, I am an esthetician. That is one of my trades. After I got out of college, I went to beauty school, got my aesthetics license back in 2015, used my license for a little bit, worked for someone, then decided to continue the route of makeup where you don't have to be licensed to be a makeup artist. Obviously, duh. But that was more of my passion. Long story short, so let me put my things down. Basically, I have been wanting my own little beauty corner and my own little space in Kansas City. I do have a booth set up at my hairstylist salon. I am the esthetician in her salon and I focus on facial waxing, eyebrow styling. Oh my god, I just love me a good set of eyebrows. And I do makeup applications. I don't get facials as of right now. Hopefully sometime mid next year I'll be able to incorporate that some way, somehow, not sure. The demand is kind of serious And I'm like, well, I kind of work in an open space right now. So if I could find a way to make it a little bit more private in the beauty salon, it just depends. But this is a great start and I love it. I'm so happy with my little space. I was gone because I had to be really focused getting my space set up and getting my booking website set up. So my booking website is set up. If you're in Kansas City and you're looking for a facial waxer, a brow stylist, someone to do your makeup, feel free to book me below. I do weddings, all of that. It's all on the website, girl. Okay. It's all on the site below. That's where I've been because I've been trying to get my SHRT together. Why? Because my regular job is not where I want to be for the rest of my life. I love doing this and I refuse to let my license go to waste. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be on my deathbed and be like, dang, I should have used my license. I should have did all the things that I wanted to do. So, you know, I was going through a lot this last month, but everything is set up. I'm open for business and I am so incredibly happy about that. And now we can continue with our regularly scheduled program because I am back. I'm back like I never left, okay? Back to this Born to Glow. Now I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so that you guys can see how sheer it is. I'm gonna zoom out some because you don't need to be all up in my Kool-Aid like that. Okay, here we go. If you can tell, you can still see some of my hyperpigmentation. Basically, my skin come through, which is fine for me, especially for like every day. I've got it on to the way I like it, where I feel like I don't need to put on an additional layer. At this point, I'm just gonna spot conceal in areas that I want, you know, to have a little bit more coverage. And that's absolutely okay too. So I'm just gonna blend and spot conceal where I want. Y'all, I cannot wait to tell y'all about this concealer that I have. I already did the video for it. I'm back on it, y'all. I'm not playing with y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this concealer, there's so many things I need to show you. There's so many things I need to say. This concealer is, I can't tell you, but I'm probably giving it away. I really like this concealer, and I can't wait to tell you what it is. But you gon' have to wait till the next video, sis. Somebody give me a recording contract, because that's it. I'm gonna hop off camera here. It's currently 12:18 in the afternoon. I'm gonna finish my brows. I will be back to check in with you guys and let you guys know how this foundation is holding up and all of the things, okay? Okay, so I am back, you guys, and it is, baby! What time is it? I'm filming. Okay, so it's 1:52 in the morning. This is what my face looks like. What time did we stop the clock or start the clock? It was like noon-ish when I got done, about noonish. So that is, what, 13 hours with this foundation? This is what my face looks like. Gorgeous. I don't know how to tell y'all this, but you can almost always guess from now on what my foundation finna be on this face. This foundation, look at this, my face still looks good. Looks good. It looks so flawless. What I'm trying to tell you is that this Born to Glow is the truth, honey. Nobody is lying to you. Go get this $10 foundation if you haven't. Have you tried it? Let me know down below. I'm probably the last person on YouTube to review this product, but oh my gosh. Like, I'm about to go back because right now they got buy one get one half off. I'm about to buy 2 more of these and stockpile this shade because cappuccino is popping on me. It almost still looks freshly done. Do you hear me? Like, this foundation is the way. This foundation is the truth. It's so good. It's the truth. Not the truth. It's the truth. Gotta get the in there, okay? I got a lisp, so I naturally can do the truth. You would be doing yourself a disservice if you didn't try this foundation. It's $10, okay? $10. I know you got $10. I know you got 10 $1 bills. That's 2 5s. 4 quarters is $1. So, oh, so that's 40 quarters, right? Baby! Is 40 quarters equivalent to $10? Well, you was the math person. Let's see. 4, 8, 12.
Eventually.
16. 20. 24. 28.
20 minutes later.
36. 40. That should not have taken that long. Oh, Lord help me. I promise y'all I'm not just a pretty face. I promise I'm not. Pray for Sister Britney, because she got a lot going on, okay? She got a lot going on. Anywho, this is my new baby. This is my new love. Do you know how many of these I'm about to go buy? I'm about to go buy a stockpile of this. That is all I have to say, you guys. I hope you guys liked my announcements. I am so excited to be a service to my fellow beautiful people. You come beautiful, you leave beautified, okay? And if you're really interested, then you feel free to click the link to my website below. My website will not just be a booking website. Other things are going to be added to it later on next year. But for now, it is my booking website. It's my portfolio website of all of my projects and my clients that I have had throughout the years. So, with that being said, if you guys live in the Kansas City metro area, so you know what I'm saying, come see about me. Thank you for your support in advance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you very much. I love you all, my 1,100 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Wait, before you go, watch another video. Watch another video, especially if you need to catch up on the previous videos. You can't be mad at me no way, because you ain't caught up on the previous videos that have already been there. So now that we are here, now I can finally say bye.